Good morning, students. The topic today, which we will do, is towards civil disobedience. In February 1922, Mahatma Gandhi decided to withdraw non-cooperation movement after Chauri Chaura incident. He felt that the movement was turning violent in many places, and satyagrahis they needed to be properly trained before they would be ready for mass struggle. So in February 1922, Mahatma Gandhi he decided to withdraw non-cooperation movement because he felt that the movement was turning violent in many places and people they are doing whatever they wanted to do. Like if we discuss the incident of Awadh, farmers they protest against police and there is a clash between police and farmers. Then again in Andhra Pradesh in Guddam Hills, militant guerrilla movement was started by tribal peasants and they attacked again on police officers. And the incident of Chauri Chaura, in that also there is a clash between satyagrahis and police officers, and in which many police officers were killed by common people. So he felt that because the movement was turning violent in many places, and satyagrahis, those who are participating in these movements, they need to be trained properly before they would ready for mass struggle on a large scale. So within the Congress, some leaders were by now tired of mass struggle and wanted to participate in election to the provincial council. Now within the Congress only, some leaders of Congress they get irritated with this kind of movements in which so many people were involved. They get tired and they wanted to participate now in elections to the provincial council that had been set up by the Government of India Act of 1919. In the year 1919, according to by the Government of India Act, elections were set up which is need to be conducted. So they felt that it was important to oppose British policies within the council. Why they wanted to participate in elections? Because they think that it is very important to oppose the policies which is made by Britishers, and it can be done in the council only, to argue for reform and also demonstrate that these councils were not only truly democratic. So they wanted to argue for reformation of those policies so that those policies can be reformed again, can be made again, and they also wanted to demonstrate that these councils were not truly democratic. So they also wanted to show that the provincial councils which is under Britishers, they were not truly democratic. So C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, they formed the Swaraj Party within the Congress to argue for the council politics. Sorry for the inconvenience, my page is tear from here, so some part of this paragraph is missing. So here C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru, these were the important leaders of Congress party. So they form a separate party, Swaraj Party, within the Congress to argue for the politics which is made by Britishers. But younger leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose, they pressed for the mass agitation for full independence. But at that time, Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose, they were very young and they didn't wanted to participate in council elections, and they didn't wanted to argue for the reformation. Rest what they wanted a mass agitation and full independence. They don't want the reformation of these policies.